Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of crosslist.com, and on this website we are going to see 17 Poshmark tips to make a six-figure income. Okay, this is the most recent article and let's see what it says. Online sales accounted for almost 20% of the retail sales worldwide in 2021. Poshmark is, along with Mercury, the most one of the mega players contributing to online sales. The platform offers numerous profitable opportunities with a large scale and competitive marketplace. It is also reliable and safe and trusted by many users. Top sellers on the platform earn six-figure incomes while working full time. One of them is Zain, who has made over $1 million in sales since she began selling in 2012. Poshmark is Pro, her full-time job. She said for Business Insider. In this article, we will give you some of the most important, tried and tested reselling tips to start earning big money using the Poshmark app. We compiled Poshmark tips from the successful resellers. We will share advices on how to take the perfect Poshmark photos and how to delight your customers with shipping and more. Not sure how to get started on Poshmark? Then have a look at our ultimate how to sell on Poshmark instead guide instead. Follow Poshmark tips from the most successful resellers. The digital sale of fashion, footwear, apparel, and accessories is in rapid growth. This is why you could use some tried and trusted experts for selling on Poshmark. Number one, expert seller Kate Hill. Taking optimal photos is a big yes. In an interview with Business Insider, expert seller Kate Hill suggests taking high quality photographers. In less than 2 years. She made more than $100,000 in sales on Poshmark while employing photo optimization techniques. No one will give you your item a second look if you cover shot isn't spectacular. spectacular. Moreover, the primary concern of any Poshmark buyer is the garment's condition. This is why Care Hill views lighting as crucial to your reputation as a seller. Number two, expert seller Kristen Batchman, nurturing a customer experience mindset bears fruit. Okay, Kristen Batchman, who earned six figures every year on Poshmark, began selling clothes from her closet. She now successfully runs a boutique shop through her Poshmark account. Her primary goal is to focus on the latest trends, conduct extensive research, and monitor buyer preferences. As a leading seller, Christine recommends a strong focus on the top categories and the number of likes on various items. She encourages Poshmark sellers to provide a compelling customer experience, transforming a mere visitor into a buyer. Furthermore, Christine always sets expectations for a delivery guarantee and matches or exceeds those expectations. With a customer experience mindset, sellers can optimize engagement with and deliver to customer before and after purchase. Number three, customer expert seller Samantha Mad. Finding the right place is crucial. Samantha Mad decided to start selling old positions on the Poshmark marketplace 3 years ago in June 27. As of June 2020, she posted 277 lists and sold 198 of them, earning her $2,436.89. Samantha recommends aiming high when you first evaluated item prices on the platform. Popular research informs her on how many items on Poshmark she can sell pragmatically. Samantha looks for original item listings to find MSRPs. Manufacturers suggested retail prices. Finally, she also focuses on official product descriptions and quality photos in natural light for her listings. So set your product prices optimally, considering the fee structure, including the original and competitor prices. Also focus on the listings likers, condition, and the time frame, potential discounts for future customers, and shipping. Poshmark photo tips. Poshmark sales can be increased by improving your listings photos on Poshmark. Here is what you have to do. Ensure the optimal lighting. Choose proper background. Use your camera for square photographs. Ensure optimal lighting. Having adequate lighting before capturing a Poshmark photo is one of the most crucial aspects that any seller should recommend. Okay. Choose a proper background. Most Posh products have white background. Okay. It is the best tip for taking good Poshmark photos because it will display the least amount of distractions. Moreover, it will also be easier to upgrade from white to almost any color. You can use a whiteboard which is expensive and available in any art store. Go for pure white rather than off-white. You can also use an app like Photoroom or on a manual photo editing service provider for more background for removing backgrounds and editing photos, giving you a competitive advantage and creating great visual material for your listing. So guys, thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.